This is in loving memory of the late Cherie!
Yay! Thank you.
Hi. How are you?
Sorry.
Okay.
Mommy duties.
But you do know we're rolling. We are rolling. We are live. Why does the production stop when a hot girl walks in? I don't understand.
Rico Robles, Hot Babe Cherie, and Phoebe Walker. It's Too Hot for Podcast. It's Too Hot for Podcast.
Too Hot for Podcast is recorded live in front of a studio audience.
See, the world stops when a hot girl walks in. I'm
Grabe
telling
naman.
you.
Boom, boom.
She woke up like this. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Too Hot for Podcast. I'm Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
And I'm Phoebe Walker.
Hey, it is of course another episode and these ladies are here but we are not alone. Today may special guest tayo and we're very much excited for this one. But first, before we introduce our special guest, dahil late ka, can we get some shots? Can we get some shots real quick?
Shot agad. You know what? I think I want to call our guest in now.
Okay, sige, call in our guest first.
Okay.
I'm juggling the mommy life and the Too Hot for Podcast host life.
You're such a MILF.
I know.
Okay, so our guest for today is a really good friend of mine. I would like to think now we started our careers together. We hosted a show on PTV4 a while ago. And he was already in his comedy and I was in my acting. And now he has a solo stand-up comedy show on Netflix called Mabuhay is a Lie.
Ito lang masasabi ko, he is the full homegrown man that de-virginized comedy in Netflix in the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Rel Lelo!
Hi.
Hello.
Tangkad niya pala.
Wrestler din yan. Nagmo-moonlight as a wrestler.
Nakakatuwa na binring up ni Phoebe yung ating PTV4 past. Akala ko talagang yun na yung highlight of my career. Pero tuwa ako na parang I think every cast member ng Bara Anything Goes.
Yeah.
Parang maayos naman career natin after. Walang nalulong sa droga.
Yun yung title ng show, Bara
Anything Goes.
Kasi kala namin pag PTV4, nagdodraw lang sa loto.
Well, yun yung pinakakalaban namin sa ratings actually.
Okay, so...
No, but it was a smart show. It was directed by Leo Martinez.
Yes, it was.
And political satire siya. So para siyang Mongolian barbecue if you guys are familiar with
Yes.
Mongolian barbecue. Sarap yun.
Sino ba kasama natin? Nandun pa si Kuhol na alam mo.
Si Kuhol.
Who's in jail now. Yeah.
Shout out if you're watching us in jail.
Siya pala yung cast member natin. Kasi usually may isang cast member, di ba, na parang siya yung nawala, napariwara. Ayan, si Kuhol.
So, Kuhol, kapit lang.
Ganda ng pangalan na. Sarap sipsipin.
Napaka-intimate ng ano na to. Setup nito.
So back to the headlines.
Yeah, so kayo, you read. Na-scam ka na ba ever? And also, did you ever try to think of doing business with friends?
I actually do business with friends now. Yung Comedy Manila, parang nung nagsimula siya, 6 kami. Ngayon, 4 na lang kami. Parang nung nagsimula kami, ang pinag-agreehan namin is mag-aaway lang tayo pag may pera na. So I guess yung dalawa nagka-pera na. So
Kaya nag-away.
kami getting there pa lang. So eventually.
Mag-away kahit may pera.
We did tell you we're starting out.
Yeah.
The show is starting out.
Oo nga eh. Grabe tong production nyo as a startup.
Diba?
No, but you produce your own shows. You produce your own concerts, right?
Yes. Grabe
ba?
concerts niya naman.
Sorry.
Shows, I guess.
Shows.
Yeah, I do.
So
I do it with Comedy Manila. So ako, apart from being their best comedian, joke lang. Parang I also handle like the big shows ng Comedy Manila. So theater gigs, mga tours outside the country or outside Manila, mga ganong klase.
Pero sobrang the way they were pushing comedy. Tipong hindi lang slapstick eh. It's straight up, intellectual comedy kind of thing. Walang kakanta, walang ookrayin.
Wala.
When you guys
It's
were doing
just
that,
words.
it was a whole different paving the way. Pero ikaw, how did you get the Netflix gig?
Man. It's a lot of pitching. So I think I got it parang 4th or 3rd attempt ko nang to produce a special that I could pitch. Parang ganun. But parang the first time kasi I did it, I thought na parang, I have it na. I'll just pass it to someone and then bibilin or hindi. Parang ganun lang. So, yung connection ko to Netflix, ang hirap i-establish because I don't know anyone. And then siguro at my third attempt, I self-produced a show which was shot terribly, pero I put out siguro mga $500,000 pesos to do it. Just to pitch.
Wow, really?
And then,
pera bro Ang yaman pala nito rin.
Stand-up comedy na tayo.
Medyo pinawisan ako na yun. Nakita ko yung babayaran ko parang, wow, ganito ba yung kaya? Sana mabawi. Tapos pinitch ko yun sa Netflix. And then Netflix was like, the material is great, but it's shot really terrible. Parang ganun. So sabi niya, parang, just do whatever with this and then we'll contact you again. But I told them, you like the material ba? Yeah, we like the material. Well, we can just reshoot it, parang ganun. And then I found the producer with more resources and more money, and that's what became yung Mabuhay is Alive.
So, you know, when you put out the Mabuhay, is Mabuhay is Live?
Is a lie.
Mabuhay is Alive.
It's a lie.
Yeah.
When you put that out on Netflix, did you have to rewrite the jokes? Did you have to be like the best of all my jokes, put it all together? Was there any...
Parang yun yung current running set ko for the past 2 years na medyo nirefine ko ng nirefine. So even from the material I pitched, I kind of tweak other jokes then to make it more tighter and better. And then Netflix, to their credit, they didn't have a hand in anything na parang, so they didn't like mandate anything na bawal sabihin, bawal ano yun. So, yes, so it was all on me.
That's why I heard a lot of the word, ano, Shari, magugustuhan mo yung pag napanood mo yun. Tite.
Meron ako mga 5 minutes on just tamod dun eh. So,
Uy, grabe ka naman, Netflix naman yun. Pwede bang dick na lang? Ang pangit pag tite. Bakit gano'n?
Tite. So it's
kasi
like...
pag sinabi mong, weird lang no, bakit ganun? Pag sinabi mong in Tagalog, it's always like, ew.
mas
ganon.
visceral. Mas
Pag sinabi mong English siya.
Kasi
Like,
Netflix mo nga, gawin mo parang Netflix style. Go.
Oh, parang yung 'di ba minsan may mga nagtatanong like when you're in bed with someone and then they will say, "Sarap mo talaga." Yung ganun, 'di ba?
Di ba mas okay?
Parang
kinukwento niya as if something's wrong. Parang, what's wrong with that?
Oh my God, it's so good. Oh, ganun. Parang it's like,
iba.
Social, ganun.
Parang either has its own benefits, I think. Parang ganun, di ba?
So
may
it's
classy
today.
and may bastusan, I guess. I don't know. Hindi ko alam
Na-curious
kung ano
tuloy
pa
ako.
rating ng show na to. Hindi ko na alam eh.
Rated R
Nag-jump off lang ako kay Sherry.
Already out ba?
Ano, sorry? Yeah. Okay lang yun.
We already made love to the show.
Yes, that is the suggested suggested actions after watching it.
I think one of the questions I would like to ask Red is after that Netflix show, how has your life changed? Like, mas dumami ba yung chicks na humahabol sa'yo?
Wow, hindi.
Mga ex na
That
nagparamdam.
never happened. Sobrang bullshit kaya yung mga tao. Hogs namin funny guys. Ulul gago. Funny guys talaga.
Tangkad mo pa naman.
Ako gusto ko yun, yung funny
Meron-
guys.
Ano bang height ni Red?
Funny,
Let's just
matangkad.
I'm 6'1".
6'1".
Sabi nga nila, size ng forearm daw. Yun daw yung size
Yeah.
ng dinadala.
Tama.
Hindi, daliri daw. Pati
Daliri?
nga
Daliri ba?
ang laki. Ay, sorry.
It's very fat.
Wow, it's so big.
Diba?
Yeah, walang improvement on chicks or whatever. Wala naman. Parang normal lang. You have to work hard for it.
Okay. But when it comes to like people recognizing you on the street, has it improved or how
Oh
is
yeah.
how has
Marami,
it helped you?
mas marami lalo na abroad. Kasi parang they don't get to watch me live, 'di ba? Kapag they're actually outside Manila. Parang bihira ako mag-show eh. So parang yun yung first foray nila na parang nakanood sila ng isang buong set ko outside from the clips sa social media. So I guess yun yung
And in
pinaka-difference.
social media, how much does life change when it comes to your jokes? Kasi Matt
Well,
Rife, I see posting a lot of snippets. When you do that, is there more people? Do you follow the numbers?
That's actually yun. Yun talaga yung more than the Netflix is that when a clip goes viral, parang ganun.
Yeah.
Yun yung talagang makakuha ng makakabenta ng tickets, mga ganun. That's where you get all that exposure, I guess.
But you know, Red, here on the show, we do have a shot clock, and our shot clock is up.
Yeah.
So,
May
of course,
question
no.
ako kay Red.
sige.
Yeah, I just wanna ask, no, like, say you're a comedian. How do you, like, hit on women? Do you, like...
Paano ang game? Oh, but before the game comes in, let's get our shot clock in.
Yeah, wow! Tequila.
Tamo, puno.
Grabe, pagkadating pa
So this is of course tequila from Loft. Maraming salamat.
Only the
Loft.
best at Loft.
Thank
Go
you.
here now
Oh, wow.
at BGC.
Yay! Cheers
There
everybody.
you
Cheers everybody.
Yan,
Wow.
full shot yan. Nakita mo.
Tequila, parang bata kami
Red, bata pa tayo. Ano sinasabi mo?
Now, with you, Red, I mean,
Mid-30s na ako.
you know, when you were becoming a comedian,
Yeah.
na sumikat na and everything, how much game were you getting as far as the girls?
Oh my
Yeah.
God. Ayokong aminin kasi parang part niya ng ng mystic mo.
Mystic, yeah.
Dapat di ka you don't appear to be, chick boy or anything. But it does help with conversation, which I think is very important.
Use it nga.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
jokes.
So hindi ako pupunta
On
sa
girls.
lugar na hindi ako yamado, like sa club, hindi ako marinig ng mga tao. Wala, hindi ako gwapo doon. hindi ko kayang daanin sa physical. Alam mo yun, di ba?
Saka sa bully-book. Dinig na dinig, di ba?
Pag doon ako sa mga tipong mga non-fiction books.
Hindi naman
Mahilig ka sa autobiography.
Hindi naman, you're cute naman. You're tall.
Oo naman, alam ko naman yun. Pero
Parang
syempre,
yung sa mga babaeng kagaya ko, I like it when somebody hugs me na parang nawawala ako sa
Ano tawag doon? Bear
engulf
hug.
ang tawag.
Oo, yung gano'n.
Hindi na hugging yun eh.
Bear hug mo nga, bear hug.
Engulfing ang tawag doon.
Bear hug tayo.
Paano yung bear hug?
Naka-trench
Bear hug mo
coat
daw si
pa.
Shireen.
Hindi, tapos siya yung bear hug sa akin. Okay. Hindi siya gumagana. Hindi siya... Ayan, okay. Hindi ako nagpaalam sa girlfriend ko nito. Okay.
Yung dinner mo, cancel na daw.
Ano yan tawag din?
Lagot sa girlfriend niya na
Ay, nako.
pag-uwi.
Naramdaman ko yung fabric ng jacket niya. It's very high quality. It's
not polyester. It's wool. It's wool.
It's Dolce & Gabbana.
Oh, wow. Sorry naman.
Nag-DNG siya for you, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Pinagandaan ko, syempre nung nalaman ko na siya yung guest. Ay,
Dapat
nilang
Dolce it
papaganda
up.
ako.
Okay, okay.
So guys, I believe it is time to bring in our rated R jar.
Ay!
Wow.
Host, no?
Hindi pa ba ito yun? What?
The Rated R Jar. The Rated R Jar.
Inano
Mukhang
niya?
na-dream ko na rin.
He reigned in the program. Oy, main host namin yun sa Bara-Bara.
Oh, yeah na.
Anything goes.
Ang ating highly budgeted rated R jar.
Sobrang ganda. Tingnan mo yung pagpulot ng masking tape ko.
Di ba? Talaga, kinagat lang.
Sino nagpulit na ganyang masking tape?
Again, we are starting out show
Pag
highly
ganun, eh, no?
budgeted.
Welcome naman po ang sponsors.
National Bookstore. Mag-sponsor na kayo.
So
Miriam
we can
Bookstore.
change our rated R jar.
So because
Pwedeng
you
pwede
are
na.
our guest today, you do the honors.
Now we just
Yes,
bunot
go,
and then what
bunot
do we
ka
do
na.
with this?
Ala, tumatawag na si
Ayan. Oh, okay. Maganda tong topic na to. Sex toys.
Hang on, did he really just answered his phone?
Oo nga eh.
Oh,
Sobrang off the rails nung podcast na to.
Oo nga.
Nag-expect ako na may standards kayo eh. Apparently wala. Naman kasi. Oo nga naman.
Ikaw ba tinatawagan ka niyo?
Mas maraming views sa akin yan.
somebody get her.
By millions. Ito. Do I just read it out loud?
Yeah,
Okay,
go
okay.
ahead, Brad.
Sex toys. Wow, may M dash. Sorry. Sex toys. Are they relationship enhancers or replacements? Ooh, question.
Relationship enhancement!
Pause. Okay, resume.
No.
Alright, go.
Ayun,
Sex toys,
yeah.
okay.
Are they relationship enhancers or replacements? Tama ba? Yeah.
Enhancers?
Ikaw, how would you feel if, kunyari, I had a conversation with these girls, right?
Yeah.
In the middle of y'all doing something with your girl and she brings out, baby, we should have this vibrating
Yeah,
tool.
yeah,
Game ka doon.
Oh, why not?
What? Conservative talaga si Rico, no?
Hindi ko kasi
Hindi
alam
mo trip?
kung-
Hindi mo trip?
Nakita ko lang sa ano yun eh, sa convenience
I
store.
tried vibrating eh. Hindi ko kaya mag-vibrate on my own. So, alam mo yun.
so you
So to
have
please.
tried it, Red.
Oo naman. Yeah. Yeah.
Rico, ikaw lang hindi
Okay naman.
Pwede ba
nakatry
yung
pa?
massage gun? Ganun ka na lang dito. Di ba? Pwede yun, di ba?
Pwede yun. Pag
Mga
sa
mga facial gun.
Hindi, pwede yun. Pag yung sa mga numb na yung ano.
So, may ganun ba?
Nire-release ko lang yung
Kutsan lalanan na. I think in moderation din.
In
Kasi nga
moderation.
baka nga tama siya, baka mag-numb or anything. Pero,
But is there a level of numbness?
Yes.
Is
It's
there-
gonna
is there a
numb.
level?
Numb ba yun?
Hold on.
I haven't experienced.
You
Wow,
have
talaga.
experienced it.
Kasi pinipigil niya ako.
It's
eh.
very-
Kaya,
hindi?
ginaganon niya ako.
Ako, like sex toys, I used it when I was single.
Okay.
But now that I'm in a relationship, I don't.
Talaga?
You can actually use it, both of you.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like super. It's an add-on.
See the way I
to-
react
Tsaka
to this?
break siya for the
Yeah.
men,
It's
diba?
like,
Kasi
am I an underachiever? Like,
We
what
don't,
the fuck?
nakakapagod siya if you're performing the whole time. So
Yeah.
minsan parang may substitution, di ba? Parang meron kang
Pero workout
kapalit.
yun.
Sakto lang.
Hindi, actually, alam mo, nagagamit yun both, ha?
Yeah.
Like, for women, I mean, like, I don't know, I'll just share it anyway. My friend kasi owns a
Sinong
toy
friend
shop.
mo?
A sex toy shop.
Okay.
So, she taught me how to use the vibrator.
Ah,
Na
okay.
couple kayo. So, like, for example, tumatawag
Yeah,
na naman sa
No.
Rico.
Yeah, are you there?
Oh my God.
May ano to may
There's a car?
may
There's a car?
favoritism to.
Okay,
Ako,
okay.
hindi ako kinuha ng umbrella kasi Mary.
What's that?
Naka-Dolce
Dali lang.
and Gabbana ka naman
Oo
daw
nga,
na trench
pinaulanan
coat eh.
ako.
Oo. Okay, ano?
So,
Sorry.
yeah,
So,
was
so
talking.
yeah, sabi ng friend ko, you can actually use the vibrator. Like, if hindi siya for couple, you can actually use your vibrator when you're sucking,
Yeah. Oh.
you know, you can put it under your
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I swear.
Hindi ako ganun ka-advance. Parang ano
It's
lang.
like an additional,
Oh
like,
my God.
Ito,
You know?
girls. Ito, tanong namin kalalakihan sa inyo.
Parang yung ano mo yun, yung mga
guys.
pag
Ganun.
nahirapan magsalita sa lalamunan,
Hello.
meron silang, ganon. Ganon?
Oo nga, di ba sabi nila,
I've
di ba
never done
sabi
that.
nila dapat daw pag nagsasak ka daw ng tinuruan lang din ako ng mga friends kong bading.
Mukha namang-
Sabi nila, pag yung mga gay friends ko, they teach me kasi how
Okay.
to, you know, para naman magaling ako, di ba?
paano,
Yeah.
paano ka
So sabi
tinuturuan?
nila, pag daw, para masarap maghaham. Pagka meron kang vibrator, you can just use it, you know, put it under your neck
Paano,
like this.
paano?
while
Ito yung
you're
mic kunyari, oh.
like you're doing that. Ganon, ganon.
Tapos vibrate
Wait,
mo.
and then the vibrators here?
Yeah,
Di mo makakagat yun? Di
What
masakit?
tips na yan, ha?
Oo nga, hindi ka ba
It's like an
mapapachatter?
additional-
Oh, sige, dalhin mo na,
It's an
dalhin mo na.
additional stimulation for your, partner. Try mo mamaya, Phoebe.
Oo nga eh.
Yeah,
Intense.
try it.
It's a very interesting application.
How are you,
ah.
babe? Ano nagmumumo?
Baka pwede tayong mag-invento ng vibrator na pwede may pasok sa bibig mo, di ba?
Hindi, masakit na yun.
Oo, mouthpiece, di ba? Oh. Kakabit mo sa parang crown, di ba? Sa ipin mo.
So now you have how would you introduce it to, you know, if you have your girlfriend, how would you introduce, babe? Okay lang ba? May
Yeah, just say it, I guess. Parang gusto mo may narrative.
Rico, syempre comfortable
Nabasa
ka
ko
na
sa ano,
dapat. Ganon.
Hindi kasi I need
so never ending story to, yung mahaba na aso.
Hindi, pero ang
diba?
mangyayari nito kay Rico at kay Phoebe, try natin. O sige, sabi ni
Ay,
Sherry,
nako,
okay lang.
mamaya, malamang.
Oh, lagay mo sa chin mo, ha?
No, kasi especially if the person is not sexually like
Confident?
explorative. Tama ba? Is that the
I guess
word?
so.
Parang it could be like a little, it could
Awkward?
hit like an insecurity of the person.
Ah,
You know what I
okay.
mean? Parang,
Si Rico naman, di naman insecure yan eh.
Napatigil nga kita sa gamit mo. Diba?
Though I've heard nga a lot of parang may mga men they say na parang nakaka-insecure daw if yun nga,
Nagugulat
ginamitan ng toy,
lang.
parang
Nagugulat
ganun.
lang.
no, you get insecure. Don't lie.
Just,
No.
you might put it in my butt, man.
He
What
said-
the hell is that, dude? I'll be like, diba?
Iba yun.
I'll be like, what the
Ay,
hell?
pero Rico, may experience ako before. Siyempre sabi ko, lagay natin to sa para to spice up lang our sex life. Gano'n. So syempre madilim na, di ba? Tapos bigla na lang, syempre
Mali.
makikita mo pa rin yung shadow, di ba? Pagkita kong gano'n, kinakain. He was like sucking it. And I was like, my God!
Artista ba to?
Bakit gano'n?
Sino siya kilala
Baka
ko?
nilubricate niya.
Kilala
Rhyme
niya, pero huwag na
sweet.
natin pag-usapan.
Nililubricate niya.
Tapos,
Tama ba?
tapos sabi ko, hoy, bakit mo nilagay sa bibig mo?
Sarap
Sabi niya,
daw eh.
Hindi, dinudulas ko lang. Sabi ko,
Di ba,
pero
lubricate lang.
hindi na, nagbago na yung paningin ko sa kanya. After nun.
Power bottom.
That's a terrible way to lubricate
Power
it.
bottom.
Kasi talagang, like, in
Masira
and
yung
out,
visual.
in and out. And I was like,
May
oh my
technique
gosh.
eh.
Oh, this, may,
may prowess ba? Parang, pusa magaling siya. Parang gano'n.
Siguro akala niya.
Ikaw yung tinuruan?
Siguro hindi niya alam na nakikita ko yung shadow niya kasi syempre madilim eh. So parang ako oh my gosh.
Baka kink na yun.
Totoo nga yung chismis. Charot, joke.
Yun ang style ni Sherry. Pag may chismis tungkol sa ano yun.
Baka kink na yun. Baka trip niya lang na.
Baka trip niya.
Hindi. But afterwards, did he, nag-out ba siya? After?
Oh, well, hindi. But parang...
Politician ba to? Sino to?
Ang hirap mag-out dito eh. No? Grabe.
OMG, sabi ko, bakit niya nilagay sa bibig niya? Okay, baka hindi niya alam na maliwanag pa rin sa area niya.
Alright, dahil tatlo kami, 3 beses ka ba?
Basta huwag niyo lang ilagay sa bibig. Ayun lang.
Oo nga, grabe. Mag-invest kayo sa lube. Ayun na, bumili na kayo ng... Alam mo yan, di ba?
Wag baby oil, ha? It destroys latex.
Magkatabi lang yung condom tsaka lube. Do opposites really attract in relationships? Parang hindi. Ay, sorry. Sigura ako pala.
Sometimes.
Yeah, I guess so. Complementary though. Not...
Kami, opposite
Yeah.
kami.
Yeah.
We're balanced.
Parang pareho lang kayo in some ways.
Baka hindi complete. Ano ko ba rated R jar to? Ba't ganito lang yung napaka...
Ibahin mo.
Do opposites really attract in relationship? Parang Gusto mo ba?
It's
So
so
yeah,
generic.
let's do another one.
Who wrote
Another
that?
Hindi
Generic.
siya happy sa question.
Oo nga. Rated R jar pala.
Si Cool Pals ang nagreklamo, kita mo.
Oo nga.
Sobrang bigat.
Oh yan. Game.
Opposite
Tingnan mo
ba?
to How the hashtag #MeToo movement changed dating culture. Damn, man!
That's a big thing.
That
Kasi
could
nga,
be rated
Yeah.
R.
Sige. Let's take it on.
oh, that's the hard part. That's why you have to have consent.
Pero yung totoo. Yeah.
You know, pag sabing wag, atras.
Very clear consent, I think, is key. Also, power dynamic din. Like,
Yeah.
you have to be conscious about that if you feel like sobrang kasi podcast to.
Ito ko, seryoso bigla.
If you feel like medyo may power ka over someone, di ba? You might have some hold over it so hindi magiging fair yung relationship nyo or whatever. Something like that. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, you know, kaya ako, kami ni Phoebe, I let her kiss me first.
Tama.
I didn't make a move.
Tama.
You know, hirap na eh. Pag kalbo, bigotilyo. Mga bigotilyo, kinakatakutan tayo, bro.
Kasi nakakakiliti eh.
Ganun ba yan?
Ako, sabi ganun din
Tingnan mo si Red, sabihin mo yan.
Kasi nakakakiliti.
Ganun ba? Talaga? Parang hindi ko nakuha feedback yun ever.
He's never shaving again. He's like, damn.
Wala. 3 years kong pinatubo to. Baka mamaya. Sinave ko lang, di ba? Sayang naman.
Hindi, pero paano pag yung babae yung namimilit? It does apply.
That is
As well, like-
I don't know how I will say.
What if like yung babae yung for the last time, you know, before we break up?
Yeah. Wala.
And then gusto niya
Just
yung
to be
parang
super
ganon.
safe. Pag ka-industriya mo, wala, ayoko talaga. Parang,
Small world.
mahirap.
Baka ma-PDD.
Di lang eh. Parang weird din, di ba? Paano kung...
Di ba? We're unraveling.
Nawala sa utak yung sinabi pa. Ano meron kay PDD? Nga pala.
Ganun.
Yeah. Parang ganun. Like, di ba? Dapat ka-industriya. Pag ka-industriya mo, parang mahirap na eh. Diba? Ewan ko. We'll see.
Ito nga, magka-industriya kami. Sabi ko nga sa kanya eh, before we shoot any videos, you should sign a consent.
Stop.
Okay?
Grabe, Yung 7-page waiver.
I will never agree to
May
that.
OSPA Pocket 3 na ngayon. Gusto, may mic daw.
Pwede naman, exciting naman minsan yun, but keep it to yourself or di kaya delete it after.
Delete it straight after.
Yeah.
Pwede. No, but ako, I think my face kasi is intimidating. So, when I've been dating in the past,
Oh.
I think...
Remember ko na.
Totoo. Diba? Natakot ka ba sa akin?
Yeah, well, may konting kabubuhan ako eh. So, I'm coming from place of naivety and stupidity. So, hindi mo na ako masyado natakot. Pero meron nga.
Yeah, so I think that's why I've been casted in a lot of my roles in the past is because I have this intimidating feature sa face ko. So I think when I date people, they do not try anything. In fairness, it's been a good
Hindi mo pala tinry.
blessing for me na
Kasi si sister, nung nalasing si sister, kasi laging madre ang role niyan eh. Yan ko ng tigila, sang katutak, pare. Tapos mag-goodbye kiss ako,
Wow.
Sabi nga, wait sister, what are you doing sister?
Stop lying.
Come on sister, stop it.
Ganon.
So nahirapan ka pa mag-date because intimidating ang features mo? Or?
No, I like it kasi I think I attract more serious guys.
Okay.
Hindi yung mga nagpa-fly by night lang na mga
Ano ba
guys.
sinabi ko sa'yo na nalaman mo seryoso?
No, kasi when I first started dating Rico, the first question he asked was like, ano yung goals mo in life?
No, ito. Oh. Dictionary,
That's
bro.
a move, man.
Nag-take si Rico ng nag-pick up line.
You know
sa
what?
class.
And then he started...
Sinabi nga yun talaga? Damn,
Sabi
ganun
sa'yo,
yan.
you have to aim for the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Yeah.
If you're not gonna aim for
Galing.
that, that's nothing what you're doing.
Ganun talaga yata yung mga host na magtanong, no?
And then he started showing me the Maslow's
Hierarchy of
hierarchy
needs.
of needs.
Yeah.
Philosophy.
Right? So he
Ang
started
galing.
like,
Self-actualization.
like he was analyzing what I wanted and what I needed in my life.
Yeah.
And I came from a relationship na
Walang kwenta.
medyo walang kwenta. Alam mo yun, thank you. And then he sort of like medyo na-align
See,
kami.
I was telling her,
Yeah.
you know, once you come, you really have to be like, oh, right there. It's your own gratification.
Nasa Maslow's hierarchy of
Oh,
needs.
self-actualization.
Yes,
diba? And you build the self-esteem. It's the pyramid, man. I'm telling you. Don't
Great.
ignore. Don't ignore.
Ganda na, Maslow's hierarchy of
So you
needs.
can use that thread.
Wala na eh. I am in a very
pinapapatawagan
healthy
lang nila.
relationship din. Nagsabay din tayo ng healthy relationship phase eh.
Yeah. So hindi sila sa yung girlfriend.
Sana all.
Hindi
Char.
talaga. Wala
you
nga eh.
get
Kulang
that.
pa nga eh.
Maslow.
Kulang sa selos.
Okay,
naman,
round of
okay
shots
naman.
again, of
Yeah.
course. There you go.
Oh my God.
Oh, yan.
Bakit
Vodka.
iba-iba?
Vodka
Why-
naman daw. Vodka. Thank
Why
you
are we
to
mixing
Love.
drinks?
Thank you.
Ganun lang.
Grabe to ah.
Cheers, everybody.
guys.
Cheers.
Vodka care of the Russians?
Care of Loft. Thank you, Loft.
Sarap ng vodka na to.
Oo nga, grabe.
Napaka-distilled.
Oo. Ito yung purest vodka na natikman ko.
Oh, thank you.
Ano
Talaga sa love.
Title ng vodka na
You
yan.
know, Red, we know you got a lot in store for the rest of the year. So, is there a part 2 of your Netflix special?
Well, it's easier said than done, honestly. Sobrang hirap niya. The previous one I wrote for 3 years. So, kasi I wrote all my material.
Yeah.
Tapos, pag sinulat ko siya, I do trial and error. And then I adjust on the fly. So, I tour with the material first. And then, pag feeling ko ready na, that's where you kind of like get people to invest or whatever kung anong mangyayari. So, part 2 is a parang long-term goal. Ang mas goal ko ngayon is to tour around the world actually.
Hey,
Yeah.
Oh,
You
that's
know,
nice.
he's going to Australia
I
soon.
went na.
Oh, you went to
Nakabalik na.
Oh,
Papunta
nakabalik
pa
na.
lang kayo, nakabalik na siya.
Congratulations.
We did Sydney and Melbourne, yeah. So, yeah.
And what do you think is, needed to be done in Philippine comedy
Wow.
for everybody? Since, you're on Netflix.
Give us more money. That's all. That always helps. Philippine comedy, no, just keep doing it, honestly. Yun lang naman eh. Maganda ngayon because there's a lot of comedians na dati, may bilang mo kami, like, dalawang kamay lang eh. Ngayon, there's like, I think, 60, 70 comedians. Sobrang dami na. And a lot of them have their own voice. A lot of them have their own following. So parang, if someone, and hindi ko sinasabi ng comedy ko para sa lahat eh. That's also the beauty of comedy din because it's individuality na amplified. So, most likely, maraming tao hindi matutuwa sa akin. So, ang maganda ngayon, there's so many options na okay, hindi ka natawa sa akin, maybe the other guy, matawa ka sa ibang tao. You find someone that will represent how you relate to someone, mga ganong klase. So, it becomes a really good, parang gumaganda yung comedy scene because of it. So,
I have a question, Red. So your jokes ba basically is almost like yung mga nangyayari talaga sa'yo? Like it's based on your own
experiences
experience?
and observations, yeah.
What's the most intimate that you've shared?
Well, dun sa Netflix, I shared some stuff na may nakahook up ako na gusto kong ihian, mga ganun.
Gusto kang ihiyan.
Yeah, and then sabi ko parang kung paano ako nakawala doon, mga ganung klase.
Ayaw mo ba?
Ayoko eh.
That's
I'm very open-minded. I don't shame.
Ano yung trip niya? Why do girls like to pee on guys?
No, that's
I don't
some R.
understand.
Kelly shit, man.
I don't
Peeing
know.
on people.
R.
Meron
Kelly
naman.
is so last
I
year.
guess
We're
so,
P.
yeah.
Diddy now,
It's the remix to Ignition. Yan talaga.
No, but if I can, I just want to share something.
Pero merong mga lalaki kasi na gusto yun.
Yeah, meron talaga.
Meron.
It's parang you can subgroup it
Not
under.
me, not me. Like I have a friend.
Not sure, like,
Not me.
we
Me.
all
I'll
have a
tell you
friend.
if it's me,
Yeah.
I'll tell you. But it's based from my friend. Kasi she told me, meron daw siya nakadate na guy.
Guy naman.
Basketball player.
Wow, okay. That narrows
Sabi
it down.
niya, nagulat daw siya kasi sinabi daw nung guy sa kanya na, pee on me.
Yeah. Meron talaga.
Parang siya, how will I do that?
Saang parte siya nagpaihi?
Sa face.
Sa
Oh,
face?
sa face?
Yeah.
Damn! Hindi ko alam. I don't know what they do with it.
My
asked
goodness.
I got out of there before I found
So
out.
how?
Guess it tastes like Gatorade now, no?
Yeah.
It quenches the
I'll ask
thirst.
her.
I don't know, man.
Okay, but there's just before we say goodbye, right? There's just one kwento na I want to share with you guys. My most favorite joke of Red that got him a little blacklisted sa PTV, right? So the producer was so angry, and then
grabe, nagalit sa akin yun.
she cut that whole segment off, right? So kasi yung show namin was at the end of it, yung mga comedians namin mag-stand
Stand up,
up,
yeah.
stand up. So
Yeah.
Red did this part, right? And he said na yung ama namin.
Have him deliver it.
Wag. Hindi ko kaya. Go.
Ito, hindi ko
No, but
blacklist dito.
I do remember, parang sabi ko, ama namin ba or papuri sa Diyos?
Papuri sa...
Yeah. Parang,
Papuri
I
sa
forgot,
Diyos.
basta church songs are parang sobrang ganda ng church songs because you don't forget it even kahit matagal ka nang di pumuntang church. Tapos sabi ko yung papuri sa Diyos, yun yung Bohemian Rhapsody ng Pilipinas.
Yes.
So I did the whole bit. Hindi yun first time may na-offend actually. Ginawa ko siya dati sa isang mall tapos sinugod ako ng isang tao backstage.
Yung isa nga, di ba nakulong pa?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yun,
Yung-
grabe yun.
grabe yun.
Yeah,
Rock and
yeah,
roll
yeah.
remix naman.
Because talking about religion and
Yeah,
that.
it's very
yeah.
sensitive kasi
Yeah.
No,
especially
siya
here in the
lip
Philippines.
sync siya to another church song eh. Tapos may song and dance kasi. So I think a lot of people found that more offensive than what I did,
Yeah.
I guess. Parang ganun.
yeah.
So yun. Nalala ko yung producer na yun. Kasi ang unang litanya niya, sinabi niya, I'm not biased. I'm all for open creativity. But the Lord is my light and my savior. So parang makakat yung joke natin.
Yeah, it definitely got cut. Pero tumatak sa akin yun. Like, I'll never
thank you.
forget that. That was so funny.
Now, time for the Naked Truth, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at our Naked Truth. Things that we've learned in this episode so far.
Oh my god. The Naked Truth. Too hot for podcast. The Naked Truth.
English versus Tagalog as far as jokes.
No.
What clicks more for you, man?
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Yeah. Tagalog. The way I speak is easier kasi parang yun yung na-develop mong sense of cadence, timing. Ganun, mas meron kang, mas parang on the inside nakaka-relate yung mga tao na nanonood sa akin. So yeah, Tagalog. Definitely.
And sex toys, welcome kay Red John, no?
Yes. Yes. Please, buy them all and send it to me. Game na game ako mapadalhan.
I think you'd have to be like a few years in the relationship before you
Yeah.
explore. Alam nga naman, nag-date pa lang kayo.
Ay,
Pwede
naman.
naman. Kung
Pwede naman,
gusto
depende
mo
kung anong
siya
klase.
Magkaalaman na kagad, no?
like pag mahilig
Consent lang, consent.
mag-explore
Yeah.
yung babae
Yeah,
or yung
oo.
lalaki, like, mas
Alam mo
maganda
na.
yung alam mo na.
Walang
para-
gulatan yung tipo pagdating mo sa sa kwarto may mga kadena na parang walang gulatan. No.
Yung mga gawain ni PB.
So, hindi ka pala pwede sa akin, Red, kasi gulatan ako.
May swing sa bahay yan, tsaka
Oh my
pole.
God, grabe.
May swing yan, tsaka
Hindi ako
pole.
pwede mag-install ng swing, nag-rent lang ako. Pwede ko ba mag-drill sa kisame? Para sa
Hindi, pero
May
yung pole
trip
naman.
daw na na
adhesive lang.
adhesive. Could hold 30 pounds, 30
Uy,
kilos.
pero hindi meron na yung ginaganon. Yung
Pull-up bar.
Yung sa door, sa door frame.
Oo, pwede
Yeah.
yun.
Yeah. Marami na. People have innovated.
And of course, invite everybody to watch your Netflix show.
Yes, please, manood kayo ng Mabuhay is a Lie, streaming on Netflix now. And if you wanna catch me live, just go to my Instagram, then you'll see the shows there.
And I know you also have a few podcasts. Go ahead, man.
Yes, I'm also a host of Bago Matulog with Red Oliero, the number 158th podcast in the Philippines. Wow! Wow!
Nice.
Umakit kami as high as 6 last year. Tapos never na kami nakalapit dun sa number na yun. And then, nasa One News din ako, medyo serious talk show. It's also a podcast. So yeah, check it out.
Awesome.
All right. Thank you, Red.
Thank you.
Red.
Anybody else you want to greet? Your girlfriend?
Wala, di ko pa panood sa
Girlfriend, hi! Joke lang yun.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we hope you had a great time. My name is Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
And I'm Phoebe Walker.
And he's Red.
Yay.
And this is Too Hot for Podcast.
Wow. Your catchphrase. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
May picture tayo.
Yes, please. Tara.
Na-disappoint ka ba sa Rated R?
Seriously?
Nice to meet you. I will watch your show.
Yes, I'll invite you.
Tangkad niya, no?
Tangkad mo pala rin.
Oo, di ba?
Okay na ba to? Okay na to?
Hindi lang.
Sige na, yan.